Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need black and yellow pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and then I have 2 pieces of string that measure about 15 inches. And you're going to start with one of your strings. We'll put 2 yellow on each side, a yellow that goes through both, yellow on each side, black that goes through both, yellow on both sides, and yellow that goes through both. And we're going to take, let's use black. What we're going to do is tie this end with the black bead. Leave enough to make a knot later. And we're going to pull the other side of the string. You're going to put your needle on. Pull both sides of the string. So it looks like this. We're going to add yellow, another yellow, another yellow, and if you need to keep pulling this, you can if it gets loose. We'll flip it over and go through here. We need to add a yellow and another yellow. Okay, and I also went through this bead, so we whoops, caught here. Okay, so we came out of this yellow. We're going to go through this one too. We're going to add a yellow. Go ahead and flip this around, and we're going to go through this yellow bead. And we're going to add another yellow and another yellow. We're going to go down this one and up these two. Flip it over. We're going to add yellow, another yellow, and another yellow. This time we're going to go down this yellow and then up this one. Okay, we can take this black off, and I'm going to tie it up here. Go ahead and cut that off. And we'll leave that aside. Now we need to take our other string and put on yellow on both sides, yellow that goes through both, yellow on both sides, yellow that goes through both, yellow on both sides, and yellow that goes through both. Just like how we did that one over there, we're going to take a black bead and tie it off. Hold this, or pull this string here. And make these tight. You're going to put your needle on. We're going to add a yellow. We're going to add another yellow. We're going to add another yellow. Flip it over. We'll go through this yellow. Add one. Add another one. We can go ahead and go through this one too. We're going to add a yellow and go through this one. Okay, now we need to get our other side right here. And we're going to weave these two together. So go through this one. We're just doing a zigzag on the beads that are sticking out. And we're going to go down this, actually these two. And then we're going to go, whoops, you know what? We need to go down this one. I'm sorry. And then up. Okay, guys, I lost some footage there. So all you need to do is go up here and then tie your string off, and then you'll tie your other two strings off. And this is what it should look like. And then you can put this on a bracelet or a necklace or whatever you want to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.